Welcome to the Weather Center, and let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your Saturday across South Africa. We are currently seeing cloud-free skies dominating the weather across much of the country, but over the Eastern Cape coastal areas we have lots of rain-bearing clouds here thanks to this cold front passing along the east coast. So tonight it's going to stay cloudy with light rain and drizzle along the Eastern Cape coastal areas and the adjacent interior. The wet weather spreads into KwaZulu-Natal as that cold front continues to move eastwards. We are also going to see rain and drizzle setting in across eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It's going to stay mostly clear for the rest of South Africa. Sunday we'll see isolated thunder showers setting in across the western interior, and these areas highlighted here. A bit of rain and drizzle in the morning for the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, but the wet weather continues over eastern KZN, Mpumalanga, as well as eastern Limpopo. Now tonight we are expecting up to a 40% chance of precipitation over much of the east coast, extending into eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It's going to be dry for the rest of the country. Here's how things are going to look like for you in Durban. It's going to become more and more cloudy with light rain and drizzle, temperatures dropping to around 14 degrees overnight. A southwesterly breeze is forecast tonight along much of the east coast, southeasterlies over the western interior, along the southwest coastline and the west coast. Then on Sunday, the airflow tends to a southeasterly direction along the east coast, and northerly airflow is forecast over much of central and western South Africa. It's going to be pretty chilly tonight across much of South Africa, freezing in Kimberley, 1 below freezing for Bloemfontein, a bit warmer in Bethlehem. Johannesburg drops to 6, 8 in Pretoria and Mahikeng, a minimum of 6 for Appington, a chilly -3 in Sutherland, chilly as well for the mother city with a minimum of 10, 11 for Port Elizabeth and East London. We are expecting a warm Sunday afternoon around Appington, where a high of 28 is forecast. Similar temperatures for Vredendal, a comfortable 24 for the mother city, but much cooler as we go further east. Port Elizabeth and East London managing highs of just 20 degrees, 22 for Durban and Richards Bay. Cool as well over the northeast, highs around 18 for Johannesburg and Mbombela, and a high of 20 is forecast for Pretoria. We are expecting thunder showers on Monday, extending from Appington down into the south coast. It's going to be dry for the rest of the country. Then on Tuesday, the thunder showers extend further east into Gauteng and intensify over the southern interior. Rainy weather sets in from Cape Town into the East London area.
Know more. eNCA.com